What is up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here for you tonight on yet another learning lesson on Amazon self-publishing. Something I want to talk about just really quickly for tonight's video is arguably the most saturated keyword slash niche that newbies seem to gravitate towards in selecting among the first books to publish on Amazon. For whatever reason, people love to publish on the paleo diet, cookbooks related to the paleo diet, different recipes you can come up with. I don't know, it's like crack to newbie self-publishers. So it comes up quite often, especially when I've been working with people one-on-one, not necessarily being paid to help, but like even back in the old days when my self-publishing blueprint was a relatively new course, and just noticing an overall trend with publishers choosing to get into the same keywords and having the same end result, which is not making any money. So just check this out. I searched on Amazon for the paleo diet, and naturally we get a keyword listing here for search results related to paleo diet. So I'll let you take a look at this and just for 5 seconds figure out why maybe this would not be the niche to publish on. Okay? Now, despite it being rather obvious, believe it or not, a lot of people are like, well, it sells so well, like, what's wrong with publishing here? Well, guys, here's the answer as to why. This book has over 1,000 reviews. This book has over 100. This book also has over, well, it's the same book here. Damn. 800 reviews here, okay? So yeah, this keyword is super ultra hot, like probably one of the best keywords you can publish for on Amazon in terms of sales potential. But how are you going to rank on the first page and have anyone find your book for this keyword? Unless you work with a marketing team perhaps, or an actual publishing company where you have the budget and expenditure in perhaps the 5-figure range to promote such a book and have it distributed all across the world in bookstores and such, you have no chance. I've seen publishers try to do this, and over, it simply does not sell or work. So really what I want to emphasize with these videos that I'm doing for you all going forward is you have to find a fine balance between sales potential, so profitability potential of a keyword in terms of how well it ranks versus the level of competition that you have to face for said keyword in a result. So yes, sales here are really freaking good for this keyword. This is the #1 bestseller. It ranks 400 on Amazon. So yeah, obviously it's a great freaking keyword, but it's overly competitive. You won't stand a chance. So I just want to drill this into your guys' heads. I know this is like super basic material for some people watching this who might be a little bit more seasoned, but this comes up like literally once a week, and I just don't want to waste anyone's time, and honestly also my time, if people wanted to consult with me, and yet we're still facing the same roadblock of why niches like these are not worth publishing into, and why you have books related to niches like this, and you're wondering why you're not making money, when the answer is pretty damn obvious. Okay? Fair enough. Now, if you haven't yet already, I want you to check out myselfpublishingblueprint.com. I'll give you a link below my video here.
What?
And basically, this is the course that I took to learn Amazon self-publishing. This is taught by Emeka Osai, the one and only. And I was Emeka's first student to earn $1,000 through Amazon Publishing. Also his first student to make $1,000 per month on average through his course. And I think I might also be his first one to make $10,000 overall and all that stuff. Like, I am his OG student. Like, I am the Mac Daddy original student. I am like Sephiroth and he's Genova from Final Fantasy VII, if you hear me out on that, okay? So yeah, I can speak for this course. I would make my own course, but Emeka's course has it all, so why would I even bother like making my own course when this is perfection. All right. He newly worked on some course content. Actually, he revamped the whole course content, which I've redone myself in terms of like going through the lessons. So this course is still super hot. It's arguably, yes, it is the most up-to-date publishing course in 2018, no question. And I would damn venture to say it's still the most popular course. So right now he has it priced at only $197. Back in my day, about a year ago, it was only $99. I'm like, Mecca, this is too fucking cheap. You gotta raise it up. And honestly, he's gonna raise the price up again from $197. It's just too good to pass up. So take action. Get started now. Buy this damn course. Learn the mechanics of self-publishing. And once you're ready for some more advanced stuff, rewatch my videos again. And from there, you can either choose to work with Emeka one-on-one through his Publishing Accelerator program, or, hey, I'm here too. So definitely check this out. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.